Okay, so this is my G0704 mill that I have converted. I was going to demonstrate some stuff on it. It's running about 64 inches a minute. Not bad. What's really cool is the Z. Is moving pretty good down and up. Now I can push it a little bit harder. I don't know if it'll stall out. I'm still tweaking on it. No problems on the downstroke. That's 80 inches per minute. So that's 80 inches a minute up too. Alright, now we'll try the x-axis. Okay, this is with stock screws. I'm not using ball screws with this yet. Phase 1 conversion. Alright, now we'll go for some spindle control here. I'm running EMC, by the way, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the spindle on. Okay. You can see there the red bar is the actual speed along with the analog meter there. The green bar is the target speed, and I've got a thing there that says whether it's at speed or not. You can see that at work here. It comes up to play. So now let's run a theoretical demo here. Go ahead and hit start. And then we'll hit this stop. I gotta figure out why it's doing that. All I'm doing is disconnecting the wiper from the system, and I think the driver in there is not doing it. I really need to put some control relays in place. That's about it for now.